So here is a Clipchamp video editing tutorial. Clipchamp is a free online video editing tool from Microsoft that allows users to combine video assets, images, and audio files, add visual effects, import, edit, and export, and record your screen and webcam video directly into Clipchamp. And if you want to try out Clipchamp for free, click on my link in the description. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you can select the language on the top right and then sign in or create an account, and here you can use Continue with Google if you want. I will click on Continue with Google and select my Google account from the options available. Then click on Continue. And as you can see, it's loading up. Now click on Continue again and you will be moved on to the next page, which is the Clipchamp dashboard. So as you can see, you will get this pop-up. What sort of videos bring you to Clipchamp? Here, choose the one that you want. Then, what kind of content creator? So go ahead and choose the relevant option. So as you can see, we're now in the Clipchamp dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will get to see these options. Here, you can click on Add Folder. And to install the desktop app, click on the bottom left corner. So here, you can see a lot of templates that you can choose from. So go through the options and select one that you like. And on the top right corner, you will get to see Upgrade. Here, you can see different packages offered by Clipchamp, such as Clipchamp Premium. So go through the options if you would like to upgrade your Clipchamp account. So once you select your account, just click on Upgrade. So we will close this and not get the upgrade. So here, you can create a new video or create a video with AI. On the bottom, you get trim video, record yourself, or text-to-speech. So, we will go ahead and click on Create a New Video on the top. So as you can see, we are in the video creation section. This is where you do all your work. On the left panel, you can see Record and Create. If you click on it, you will get options like these. So choose any of them and you can use them. Then we have Content Library. Here you can see a lot of elements that you can use for your content. Then we have templates. So go through the templates and choose the one that you like. And as you can see, they have tons of templates that you can choose from. And the options are really good. And after that, we have text. Then we have transitions. And lastly, we have Brand Kit. And as you can see, you need to upgrade to Premium in order to use this function. So let's go ahead and click on Your Media and you will see a lot of options to choose from. And on the right panel, you will get to see additional options for editing. So now click on Import Media. Here, choose the media that you want to import from your desktop. Go to its folder and select it. And as you can see on the top left, it's currently being imported. So once it's done, just click on it and drag and drop it onto the editing section. And once it's done, you'll be able to see your media right here. You can click on Play to play it. So now, let's go ahead and get started with the editing. From the bottom part, you can see the volume section. If you click on it, it will be muted. And if you go over to the right panel, you will get to see options like Audio. Here, click on Audio. And here, you can adjust the volume of your audio. After that, click on Fade. This is what you can use in order to add fade-ins and fade-outs. So let's adjust the fade-in and play the video. And as you can see, a fade-in has been added. Now move this marker to the end and then adjust the fade-out as well. After that, play the video in order to see the fade-out added to your video. This way, you can adjust the length of the fade-out and fade-in. After that, we have filters. But first, let's go ahead and remove the fade-ins and fade-outs. Click on Fade and set them to 0. Now do the same for fade-out. After that, click on Filters. And as you can see, there are a lot of filters that you can choose from. So just hover over any of them and you'll be able to see the preview right here in the middle of the screen. So go through the options and click on the one that you like. Then set its intensity according to your preferences. And after filters, we have effects. Here, you will get to see a lot of effects that you can choose from. So go through them and select the one that you like. Then play your video if you want to check out your effect. You can also change the speed and amount right below the effect that you've chosen. And as you can see, it is moving live right here in the middle. So I will select another effect and then play it. And as you can see, both the effects have been added. Then click on Adjust Colors below Effects. Here, you have options like exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature. And also, we have the option for transparency. You can also click on Reset. Now go over to Speed. This is where you can adjust the speed of your video. And as you can see, the length of the video has been shortened because we've made it faster. So if you play it, you'll be able to see the effects lifetime. So go through all the effects and other options on the right and customize your video according to your preference. Now, let's go over to the left panel. Here, go ahead and click on Text. After that, scroll through the options and select the one that you like. I will click on this one right here. So click on Add to Timeline. After that, you need to click on this purple section right here. And here, you will get to see the timer. Then add whatever effects you want from the right panel. You can also adjust the speed of your text. So now let's move the marker to the front and click on this text. After that, you will get to see some additional options like font. Here, you can select another font for your text template. And as you can see, it has now changed. After that, you have the option for size. You can move it around to fix the size according to your preference. And also, you can drag this up and down or anywhere on the screen. After that, we have the color option. Here, go through the colors and choose one that you like. Then also, you can select the background color just like this. And once you're done with this, next we have position. So here on the position, you can click on any of the parts to move the text to that position on the screen. Next we have count up, show minutes, then show seconds and show milliseconds. You can enable or disable any of these options. After that, let's move on to the fade, and you can add a fade in or fade out to your text. So as you can see, we have now added a fade in. After that, let's go over to effects again. Here, you can add additional effects just for your text. So just go through the effects and choose any of them that you like. You can see the preview right here on the screen. Now let's click and move the text to the bottom right corner. So let's go over to the left panel and select another text to add, and then click on the green plus icon. So as you can see, another text layer has been added right here on the video. You can also drag this along to change the length of your text. This way, you can adjust the length of any of the elements that you've added onto your project. So as you can see, the new text is right here. You can move it around just like you did with the previous one. And on the right side on the text section, you can type in and replace the previous text with whatever that you want. And here I'm typing in Clipchamp demo. And now let's go ahead and play the video. And as you can see, all the elements are combined and playing all together. Now click on Export on the top right corner and select the quality that you want to export in. After that, it will be exported onto your computer. And that is exactly how to do video editing on Clipchamp.